Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my video, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys the best settings to run OBS on low-end PCs. If you guys want to set up a YouTube channel, record or stream on YouTube, Twitch, Mixer, etc., these are the best settings for you. So let's get right into it. So once you launch OBS, you want to go into settings right now. It's kind of slow, forgive me, but yes, okay. Once it's loaded up, you want to go to video, and these are the resolutions you want to set to. The base canvas resolution should be 1280 into 720. Output scale resolution also 1280 into 720p. These are all HD 720p resolutions, so the quality will still be pretty nice. The downscale should be bilinear if your PC is a really low-end PC. Otherwise, you can get off, keeping something slightly higher. The FPS value, I would recommend on putting it to 60, especially if your monitor's refresh rate is 60 Hz. You don't want to go anything lower than 60 because it'll make the video really choppy and not so pleasant to watch. So just make sure it's on 60 FPS. Next, general settings. I just set dark theme because I like dark theme. It has nothing to do with making the FPS better or making OBS run better or anything of the sort. These are just personalized information which you guys can copy. If you want to, just pause the video and go ahead and take that. Next, for stream, if you want to stream on Twitch or YouTube, whatever, just click on whatever server you want to stream on. Just click on them, and I'm set to Twitch right now. The server, it is better if you keep it auto, because depending on the ping and stuff, OBS will find the best one for you. You just want to go ahead and click a stream key here and it'll work. Next, output. These are the stuff that I recommend streaming. You want it to be 1080p at CBR at 2500 kbps. The keyframe, you want it to be 0. The CPU usage, very fast. Profile none, tune none, and that's it. Next, while recording, keep it standard. This is the stuff that I am saving my videos. You can just create a folder like this or do anything whatsoever. The recording format, it's best if it is MP4 because most video editing softwares use MP4 file types to edit, so that's just the best. The audio track, you want to select it as 1, so you can add any background music or other stuff on audio track 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. The encoder, just use the stream encoder, that's it. For audio, the audio bitrate, I've set it at 160, that is the standard by OBS, and that is pretty good. Replay buffer, just keep it disabled, I don't need it. Next, you want to go to audio, and here we have the sample rate, which is set to 44.1 kHz, and that is actually pretty nice. You don't need to change that to anything. In channels, keep it on stereo. Mono is just bad. It's just plain blatantly bad. Keep it on stereo. And desktop audio default unless you have another audio device. And yes, mic auxiliary is just that easy. You just copy all the settings from here. And push to talk, you can enable this. This again is all preference. And video, I already shown it to you. This is the main stuff that you want to copy. Hotkeys, I have none. And advanced, the process priority should be normal. You can keep it our normal or high. That will actually give you better performance. But if you're recording games and such, it is best to keep it on normal so the game runs properly. The renderer, DirectV 11 is what I prefer. Color format NV12, color space 601, and color range partial. That's the best according to me. File name formatting, just keep it on this. You can copy this if you want. And yeah, replay, just leave it like that. Duration, keep it 20 seconds. Stream delay if you don't want stream sniping. But that is it, I think. Yeah, you can disable these if you want to, but I just prefer not to. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.